get rid of the income tax for a system of tariffs instead, ladies and gentlemen, the economy will absolutely explode.
It is impossible to raise enough revenues from tariffs to replace the federal income tax.
And the basically $30,000 or so raise a lot of people are going to get will absolutely blow our economy up.
So no, the median American family does not pay $30,000 a year in the federal income tax. The United States federal government collects $2.6 trillion in the individual income tax. Take that $2.6 trillion and divide it by the 127 households and you get around $20,000 per household. Now keep in mind, this is the mean, not the median. The federal income tax has always had a progressive marginal tax rate, and it's such that almost half of households don't pay any federal income taxes. But still, that doesn't get us to the $30,000. Now, if we start including payroll taxes, that is another $1.8 trillion for a total of $4.4 trillion in taxes, or a mean of $34,000. But is it even mathematically possible to raise around $4 trillion strictly from the imports of goods? No, it is not, because we only import $3 trillion worth of goods from abroad. Not to mention a general rule in economics, every time you put a tax on something, the quantity is going to decrease. But instead of looking at the mean, let's look at the median and other areas on the income distribution. This particular analysis from the economist Brendan Duke and co-authors assumes it can work, assumes that we actually can raise that revenue and it's not going to decrease the quantity too much. Placing income taxes with tariffs would be a tax hike on the bottom 90%. Let's scroll down. You can see taxes are going up by $5,000 for the median family, whereas they decline by $290,000 for the top 1%. An increase in tariffs is an increase in prices. It's not free money. You have to pay for it. But hey, what do I know? I'm just an economist.